Types of work. The term work is a general term and involves several types of work. Electrical work, 2. Pressure volume work, that is work of expansion. Let us study work of expansion. It is a particular form of mechanical work and takes place when the system and the surrounding are at different pressure. That means if you consider a gas inside a cylinder, the pressure consider first is high and so that the outside surrounding is low. And then consider the case the pressure inside is low and outside the pressure the surrounding is very high. Therefore, these are the two cases that we are going to consider. Now, it is involved in the system consisting of gases and regarded as one of the most important forms of work studied in thermodynamics. Suppose a gas enclosed in the cylinder fitted with a movable piston. If the pressure of the gas is higher, that is the first case, the pressure of the gas is higher compared to that of the surrounding. That means the surroundings is now it is less or low. The piston will be pushed up. The piston will be pushed up in this case, in the first case. And the pressure inside the cylinder is till the pressure equal to the surrounding. That is, gas inside the cylinder is equal to the surrounding. The piston will be moved up till the pressure inside and the outside is equal. Now, in this case, the work is done by the system on the surrounding because of the system transfers energy to the surrounding in the form of work energy. That means the system is doing the work by itself or work done by the system. That is the first case, the work is done by the system. On the other hand, if the pressure of the system is less than that of the surrounding, that is in the second case, if the pressure is less here, whereas the surrounding, the pressure is higher, then the transfer of energy take place from the surroundings to the system, from the surrounding to the system, and thus the system gains energy and the work is said to be done on the system. This is work on the system. Therefore, in the second case, work is done on the system. This type of work is referred to as pressure volume work. Now, derivation of expression for pressure volume work. Listening to the statements, you derive the equation by yourself in each step and see that whether you are getting the answer, final answer. That is the way to learn. Not by simply copying the derivation of equation won't do any good. Let us consider a gas enclosed in the cylinder. All the descriptions you listen and then you write the equation by yourself and check each step whether it is correct or wrong. Let us consider a gas enclosed in a cylinder fitted with a movable piston as shown. This is a movable piston. Consider and enclosed in a cylinder, and V is the enclosed and the volume of the gas enclosed in the cylinder is capital V, and the area of cross section of the piston is capital A. This is the area of cross section and V is the total volume of the cylinder. Suppose an external pressure, we are going to apply a pressure here, P. A pressure P is going to be exerted through the piston. Suppose the piston moves a very small distance dl, the change in volume dV is given by. Now all mathematical applications, differentiation and integration. Those who you know that mathematical application of calculus, the integration and the differentiation, then only you can follow the rest of the derivation. That means we are going to consider a small change in volume dV, that is infinitesimally small. that is the word uses, and infinitesimally small distance dl, and infinitesimally small work done by the system dw, so that we can find out the total volume by integrating between the two limits. Then suppose the piston moves a very small distance dl and the change in volume dv is given by dv is equal to A into dl. Since pressure, that is equation number 1, you just write the equation number 1, dv is equal to A into dl. Now we are going to change and apply certain factors in these equations. Since pressure is equal to force by area, the force action on the piston is given by force of the piston is equal to P into A. If the work done by the small movement of the piston, that means dw, we are going to consider a small amount of work dw. We have dw is equal to minus P into A into dl. Therefore, equation number 2, that is dw. Now we are, in order to get the full work done, we have to integrate this factor. Now from the equation 1, that is, we already know that equation number 1, dv. What is dv? We already know that what is dv. Here from the equation we know that what is dv is equal to A into dl, that is A into dl. This is the factor. Therefore substitute that. The A into dl means dv. A into dl means dv. Therefore from the equation you substitute dw is equal to minus, no change, P, no change, A into dl is equal to dv. A into dl is equal to dv. Substitute that. Therefore we get dw is equal to P minus P dv. If P is constant, the total work done W, we are going to find out the total work done. How it is? We are going to get W is equal to integrate between the limits V1 and V2. That is, take the P outside because it is constant. P is equal to, that is, integrating between the limit, we get minus P into V2 minus V1. We know that V2 minus V1 is equal to delta V, or W is equal to minus P delta V, where it is the work done by the system. Equation number 4, which is one of the most important equation. Therefore, equation 4 represents the general expression for pressure volume work. In this equation number 4, delta V represents the change in volume, which is equal to the difference in the final volume and the initial volume of the gas. That is, the delta V depends upon whether the gas undergoes expansion or contraction. Then let us see for the expansion of gas. If the gas enclosed in a cylinder undergoes expansion, that means of course V2 will be greater than V1. And on expansion, if V1 is the initial reading and V2 will be the final reading, and V2 will be higher than this V1. Therefore, the expansion of a gas W is equal to minus P delta V is negative. In this case, W is negative. That is the work done by the system on the surrounding, and the energy transferred in the form of work energy to the surrounding. Now let us take the contraction of gas. If the gas undergoes contraction, V2 will be less than V1. That means the piston will come down from a level V2 to V1 to V2. That means V2 is smaller and V1 is a higher one. Therefore, delta V is equal to V2 minus V1, which is negative. Therefore, the contraction of gas W is equal to minus P delta V, which will be positive. Thus, in the case of contraction of gas, W is positive. This signifies that the work done on the system by the surrounding to the system. Therefore, the sign is very important. If it is work done by the system, minus. If it is work done on the system, is positive.